Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you a grocery haul and meal plan that also includes a farmer's market haul. So the first thing I'm going to show you is just some of the herbs that I bought this weekend. So my plan is to pot all of these in this large pot that I got from Walmart, and I'm just going to have it out here on my deck so that I can snip some fresh herbs when I want to. I just inhaled a gnat. Gross. Anyway, so I got some basil, some rosemary, some mint, 2 containers of chives, and then some parsley and some dill. And so later on this weekend I'll be working on getting some soil in that pot and transplanting them in there for the summer. So now let me take you inside and show you my groceries. Okay, so this weekend I went to the farmer's market, like I said, and I also went to Hy-Vee and Walmart. So let me show you what I got. So from the farmer's market, I ended up getting this cute lavender candle that is actually poured into a china set. It's like a little teacup. I got this for my grandma because she has blue willow dishes and it always reminds me of her. So I thought I would give this to her. And then also from the farmer's market, I got this big bag of spinach. She said that they just picked this morning, and this was only about $2. And then I also got some monster cookies. The kids really like those. There was someone selling organic seeds, and so I got some perennial wildflowers. I'm planning on planting those around the perimeter of our yard, kind of along the timber. So hopefully those will work out and come up later this year. There was only one stand that was selling tomatoes, and so I got some cherry tomatoes, and then I also got some heirloom tomatoes. We're going to have BLTs later tonight, so looking forward to using those. At the grocery store, I got a bag of onions. I also got a bunch of avocados. I think I got 7 of them. I'm going to make some guacamole for a cookout that we're going to this afternoon, and they were on sale for 50 cents a piece. I also got some on the vine tomatoes from Hy-Vee just because I wanted to make sure that I had enough tomatoes for the guacamole and then for BLTs and whatever else that we're going to use them for this week. I got 2 peppers, a red pepper and a green pepper, and then I also got some broccoli for dinner one night this week. I got 2 heads of iceberg lettuce. That is going to be for a recipe this week. And then I got some green onions, some bananas, and then a bag of lemons and a bag of limes, which I pretty much get every week. One night we're going to have some Asian food for dinner, and so I got some edamame. I also got some of the fresh salsa. This is from Walmart. It's in the produce section. It's pretty good. I've had it before. And then I was kind of disappointed because they were out of fresh cilantro, so I ended up getting the stir-in paste. Hopefully it is decent. And then I also got some minced garlic because I was out of that. I got some Noosa yogurt for Kira. She likes the blueberry kind to eat for breakfast. And then I also got some Go-Gurts for the kids, as well as some eggs. And then for lunch today I got myself one of these spinach salads with chicken. These are at Walmart. They're only about $4 and they're pretty good. I got a big jar of the Claussen kosher dill pickles from Walmart. And then these are new. They're the Blue Diamond Gourmet Almonds. This is the garlic, herb, and olive oil flavor. These are good. I've had them before. Hy-Vee had crackers on sale, so I got a garden herb Triscuit and just a regular wheat thins. And then this is Adam's favorite pasta salad. It's the BLT suddenly salad, so I got some of that to have with dinner tonight. I got some butter and some cream cheese, and then some garden vegetable cream cheese. I love to eat pretzels with cream cheese, and so I thought this would be good to have with that. I got the kids some individual chocolate milks, and then for a recipe I got 2 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes. I was almost out of kosher salt, so I picked up a box of that and some half and half for my coffee. These water chestnuts are for a recipe this week, and then I also got some Old Bay seasoning. We're going to have shrimp one night this week, so I wanted to try this type of seasoning on that. Hy-Vee had Kraft cheese for $1.99 each, so I got 1 bag of shredded mozzarella and 1 bag of sharp cheddar. And then I also got this blood orange Noosa yogurt. I've never tried this flavor before, so hopefully it's good. And then I also got 2 blocks of Kraft cheese, the Colby Jack and the Pepper Jack. And then they also had hot dogs on sale for 88 cents, so I got a package of those. I was almost out of brown sugar, so I got a bag of that. And then I also wanted to have some Worcestershire sauce in the pantry, so I got a bottle of that, as well as some chicken egg rolls to have with supper tonight. Hy-Vee had ketchup on sale for $1.88, so I got a bottle of that to put in the pantry. And then I got some hoisin sauce for a recipe this week. I also got 2 pounds of ground turkey, some Jimmy Dean sausage, and then a pound of the Deluso mesquite chicken lunch meat. They had a special on that where if you bought a pound of meat, you get half a pound of cheese for free, so I just got the regular Colby cheese. I think these are new at Hy-Vee. They're like the large uncured pepperoni. So I got a package of those to have for snacks. And then I also got some turkey pepperoni, which I pretty much get every week, and the kids like to snack on that. I got some grilled chicken. This was on sale for $2.99, and I think we're going to make some pinwheels with that. I got some garlic bread, and then a box of couscous for dinner. We've been out of chips for a while, and I'm not sure when I'm going to get back to Costco, so I just went ahead and bought these at Walmart. There's 20 little bags in this big bag. It comes with cheddar and sour cream Lay's, sour cream and onion Ruffles, Cheetos, Fritos, Funyuns, and another type of Cheeto. I also got a big bag of chicken pot stickers from Walmart. I actually prefer to buy these at Costco, but I'm not sure when I'm going to get back there, so I just went ahead and bought them. And then I also bought a bag of flour tortillas, the large ones, for some wraps. I got some chips. Hy-Vee had these on sale, so I got the Lay's honey chipotle and the mesquite barbecue, and then I also got some just regular tortilla chips for guacamole. I got a bag of shrimp for supper this week. I get this at Hy-Vee. It's my favorite type of shrimp that they have. And then the only other groceries I got besides beer and soda, which is out in the garage, is just some honey wheat bread, the Sara Lee brand, and then some hot dog buns from Hy-Vee. So for non-food items, I did not get that much. Just from Walmart, I got some of these headbands. Both Kira and I wear these. They're just the kind that don't slip on your hair. I got this pot holder oven mitt. It was only 88 cents, and I thought it was cute. I have purchased this conditioner before. It's like this little pack of keratin protein conditioner. I can usually get 2 uses out of this, and I think it really helps soften up your hair. And then I also got some of this Spinach dishwasher cleaner to use in the dishwasher for the next couple weeks. It was around $5, and it has 3 weeks worth of cleanings. I got some dog treats and then some detangler for the kids, just this Aussie Kids one, and then the Johnson & Johnson strawberry. So that's it. Let me just show you what the meal plan is for the week. Okay, so tonight I'm going to make BLTs with some deviled eggs, and I have mac and cheese down here, but I'm actually going to make pasta salad instead. And then tomorrow for dinner I'm going to make pot roast, mashed potatoes and carrots, and some rolls. And then Monday I'm going to make salmon and shrimp with couscous and broccoli. On Tuesday I'm going to try a new recipe for Asian chicken lettuce wraps. I actually could not find ground chicken, so I'm going to have to use ground turkey, but that will be fine. And then we'll have some pot stickers and edamame. Wednesday I'm going to also try a new recipe for slow cooker chicken parm pasta. And then I have garlic bread and a salad. Thursday we'll just have leftovers or sandwiches, and then Friday is pizza night. And then I don't plan as far ahead to Saturday just because I'm not sure what we'll be doing. So that's the grocery haul and meal plan for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.